what's up? Welcome back to the channel. So today, guys, I'm going to be doing my declutter purse video with you guys. And I know this is probably, hold on, you probably can't see. Okay, so I know this is probably a really retarded angle, but the way my closet is set up, I felt like my purse collection declutter deserved its own video in itself while I'm decluttering my closet. So you guys stay tuned for the big closet reveal. It'll be like a little bit of everything, just trying to maneuver and get my whole life together within this. Okay, so after clearing out everything in the other closet, these are all my purses and like overnight bags and stuff that I have, and they just kind of dumped them on this chair. I'm gonna stand back and let you guys see the pocketbook collection. So I'm gonna turn the camera around, let you guys see so far that I've got those up there like that. But like this one right here, I think I'm gonna just part ways with this purse right here. I got this from Aldo, but I don't really go to, this is not like a purse that I kind of go to and use anymore. I thought it was really cute, but I've had it for some years now, and it's just a doctor style bag, but I don't really use this anymore, so I'm going to toss this to the Goodwill. This bag right here is a cute little crossover, and I got this from, I think I got this from either Dillard's or Belk, but I really only go to this part. Oh, this is my camera case right here I was looking for. Okay, see? So yeah, so I'm gonna just put that in there like that. This is my Burberry bag. This is just a summer bag. I think I purchased this bag right here from, I think it was either the Goodwill or a yard sale. Let's see, this is my, what is this one? This one is a cute little bag right here. This was something that my mom used when she was going to church. So this is a cute little patent leather black and brown bag right here. This one is a snake skin, snake print, alligator print. This is really pretty, you guys. And it's got the taupe or tan with the flap like this right here. And it's got like the compartments and stuff in here. And of course it has the long straps. So I've got this one as well. Then of course, you guys, I'm pretty sure if you guys been following me for a while, then y'all saw this was my birthday present my husband got me my last birthday. This is of course Michael Kors, and then of course I've got the matching wallet as well in here. Matching wallet. This purse right here, this is I guess a Chanel inspired bag. It's got the quilted with the black and silver, and then of course it has the little flap right here. And yeah, so this is Chanel inspired. So I've got this one right here, which is the black and silver. I'm gonna plop that right there like that. And then another Chanel inspired, this one like this right here, and it has the gold hardware, and then it has the single strap like this. If you're wearing black and gold, if I'm wearing black and gold, I'll do this, and if I'm doing the black and silver, I'll do that one like that. Got this bag right here. It's black and leopard. This is a bag that my husband purchased. I think this was just an I love you bag. I can't remember exactly what the occasion was, but I've got this right here. I'm going to stick that right there. Then I purchased the same kind of bag, but it's black and white like this. And it's got some compartments in it like that. I have this Anne Klein bag. Super cute. Old hardware on it. Super cute. that I have. You want to sit that right there, like so. Can y'all guys see that? And then here's another style type bag. I think I got this from, oh, I want to say maybe Burlington or something like this. It's a cute little black bag with pink flowers on it. Okay, y'all, and so these are my other bags that I've got. So most of these bags down here are like the bags that really don't have like any type of body to them, shall I say, or any structure to them. Some of these bags were passed down to from my mom. Like this is the one that she passed down to me. That's one she passed down to me. That Michael Kors bag right there was passed down to me. That bag right here was a bag that my husband bought for me from Just Fab, I believe. I've got this. Yeah, I think this is a Guess bag right here. Yeah, I got this Guess bag right there. Cute little handbag right here. These little bags right here are in style. They are really trendy right now. And this is a really pretty color. So I got this bag. I've got this little crossbody right here. This bag right here was the bag she was actually using when she took sick. So I don't think I'll get rid of that one. These over here are, this is a, I think this is considered to be a crossbody bag, I guess. It's got the gold handles like that. Then I've got this purple MK bag, then I've got this black rusty trusty, which I think I'm going to part ways with. I haven't used this in forever. Then I've got this small Michael Kors bag right here. I've got this Gucci inspired. It ain't real Gucci, it's Fucci. Okay, got this Fucci bag right here. Alright, and then I got this black bag right here with the gold hardware on it. Got this little backpack right here, y'all. This one says nothing but class. Hold on. This one is a really cute bag. This is a First Lady bag right here. Y'all, when I say this is cute, this is cute. I don't think I'm gonna get rid of this one, because this is a grown lady bag right here. This is a grown lady bag right here. So I can't get rid of that one. When I got that one. Then got this gold and silver bag. I don't know where this came from. I guess this came from my mom. I don't think I want that one anymore. This silver bag right here. And it's got the rope handles to it like that. Getting rid of that. Then I've got the small clutches right here. I've got this silver clutch. That's real pretty. Then I've got this sequin clutch right here. I'm not getting rid of that. Then I've got this black and gray clutch. Not getting rid of this either. This would be nice for church in the wintertime. And then I've got this bag I got from Torrid. I don't even think I've even worn this yet. I might have, I don't know. This is a belt bag that kind of goes around your waist, and it's a bag as well. I forgot. Oh, a fanny pack. That's what it's called, a fanny pack. This bag right here was a birthday gift I got last year from my stepmom and my dad. So I got this bag right here. It's a Tommy Hilfiger, and they got my name, or my initials monogrammed in it. Got that one. And then I've got this Tommy Hilfiger blue bag, and it is gold as well. This, let me stand back, let you guys see. So these are all the bags that I have that's like kind of standalone, that don't have any support or body, shall I say. so that's the best I can do with making my pocketbooks as functional as possible, organizing my purses and letting them be as functional as possible. But I think this will do for right now. So I've got these 3 rows of right here, and I've got this row right here. So I'm gonna take you guys off the tripod, let you guys see. All right, so I've got all my, well, with the exception of this one is just kind of don't have any kind of formation to it, but I've got all my big duffels, not duffels, but my big oversized bags right here. Then I've got some of my smaller ones that kind of stand up alone, and then I've got these over there like that. Down here I've got some of my clutches here. I've got some of my cute little smaller handbags right here, and then I've got the rest right here. So yeah, that's what I've got. Okay, so I still have a few more hats I need to hang up over here, and then I've got a few more hats. Where are the rest of my hats? Oh, I got a few more hats I've got to hang up there as well. So I don't know if I'm going to end the video here, but if you have enjoyed my purse declutter, organize with me video, then make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video. And you guys make sure you stay tuned, because I will do a big overall closet reveal of the before and the after. And I know this is taking me a very long time to do, but y'all, I had to declutter a lot of stuff, and it is not an overnight process. It takes me a couple weeks or whatever. But if you enjoyed my purse haul, declutter, organize, whatever, then make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.